Hello, my name is Christian Strauch. I'm Industry Manager for Material Handling for igus. And today's topic is energy chain or busbar system. Both systems are there to electrify mobile systems. Both systems have been there on the market for years. I think the busbar system longer than the energy chain, but both systems work perfectly. But when do I use which system? There's, for example, applications like indoor cranes, retrieval storage systems, or transfer cars. But any application is a little bit different. And to help you with a choice, I think there are some KO criteria which are important. For example, you have an application, long travel with a lot of curves, with a lot of different radii around and across your factory. I think this is an application you can't do that with energy chain system. It's absolutely impossible. There, of course, the choice is for busbar system. There's no other way. On the other hand, there are applications and the environment, for example, is very wet, or a lot of moisture, or very dusty, or even in explosive areas. I think it is clear that the busbar system is impossible to use because the busbar system have open layers and the risk is very high for short circuits, for example, and in the end there's a risk of death, very, very dangerous. So in normal countries, this system must not be used in such applications. But on the other hand, there are also some, let's say, soft criteria. Means that, for example, the price. The price is very important, especially for a purchase manager. And the price for a busbar system is lower than the energy chain system. Why? Because imagine the busbar system consists of layers of copper or aluminium pressed in the plastic profile. Then you have the conductor gripper, and in the end, that's it. On the other hand, the energy chain, you have the energy chain itself, you have special cables for dynamic applications, and you need a guiding trough for this long travel. And this is clear that 3 products in total are more expensive than the busbar system. But for example, the technical guy sees perhaps this completely different because he sees more the advantages of the energy chain. The energy chain is, for example, maintenance-free. The busbar system not. From time to time, depends a little bit on the speed and of the cycle per year. You have to change the copper brushes from the gripper. Itself, it's not a big thing, but no, the stacker crane, for example, stays still for 1 or 2 days, and that's very expensive for the customer, for the end user. With the energy chain, no maintenance, and that's fine for the engineer and also for the customer. And also for the technical guy, it's very important that with the energy chain, he just needs one system, because the busbar system can only transfer power, but no data. But in the energy chain, you can have not only power cables inside, but also control cables, bus cables, and also other medias. It's very important. And of course, safety. The system or the application with the energy chain is really safe. On the other hand, the busbar system, as I said in the beginning, they have open layers, so in the end it's safety. But accidentally, when, for example, a man falls down and gets the fingers by accident in the busbar system, this is a reason of death. So in the end, let's say the energy chain have more advantages than the busbar system, but the price is also very important, and that's why I see most of the time the busbar systems in the alleys of stacker cranes. But now igus came with a new chain on the market. It's called the Autoglide 5. This chain is made for long travels without any guiding trough. And that's the point. Now, without guiding trough, the total price of the system comes to the level of the busbar system. So we combine with the Autoglide 5 the advantages of both systems. And that's fantastic. And there's another advantage of the Autoglide 5 is due to the construction or the design of the Autoglide 5, we need for the guiding only a steel rope. And that makes the installation time really, really short. We tested here and we needed 1 hour. And that's fantastic. Long travels with curves and a lot of radius is perfect for the busbar system. For all other applications, the Autoglide 5 is the #1. For detailed information, just follow the link to the white paper. If you have any question or detailed questions, then please contact me, and thank you very much for your interest.